everyone, today we will discuss chapter 3 of physics, that is force. Open your book at page number 31. The main objectives of this chapter are force as a push or pull, effects of force on mass, direction, change in shape and size using real world examples only, force of friction, and types are rolling friction, sliding friction, and static friction. What are the main advantages and disadvantages of friction? Today we will discuss force as a push or pull with examples. What is force? Force is a push or pull upon an object. Right? Let us consider one example. A person kicks the ball. What happens then? Yes, the position of ball changes. Why did the position of ball changes? It is due to force applied by the person. Let's read the topic from the book. Force as a push or a pull. In our daily life, we pick up things, open things, shut things, kick things, hit things, lift things, and host of other activities like these. Can we replace these terms which cause a change in the motion of an object by a single term? Yes, a single term is a force. Let us see through this activity. There are various terms which we used in our daily life in which we involved a push or a pull. First example is drawing a bucket of water from a well. In this activity, actions are pushing as well as pulling and lifting. And action can be grouped as push and pull. In second activity, a cricket ball hit by a batsman. When cricket ball is hit by a batsman, then it involves pushing. So, it does not involve pull, but it involves lifting also. Okay, and action can be grouped as push only. In third activity, a moving of loaded cart. It also involves pushing as well as lifting, but it does not involve pulling. So, action can be grouped as push only. Opening or closing of a drawer. It involves both pushing as well as pulling. Same as in case of fifth activity, opening or shutting a door. It involves same pushing as well as pulling. When we study the above table after completing it, we will find that all above actions can be classified as pushes or pulls. In science, a push or a pull on an object is called force. Thus, in above table, all the objects are under the effect of force. Next is forces are due to interaction. Okay, to understand this, let's read the topic. A bus as shown in given figure will move only when it is pushed or pulled. The bus may begin to move in the direction of the applied push or a pull. When we apply the force, bus will move to the direction of applied force. Motion is not possible without the application of a force. The concept of force gives us the quantitative description of interaction between two bodies or between a body and the environment. Quantitative means it depends upon quantity. For example, if we applied more force, then body will move more. If we applied less force, then body will move slightly. The inter in the term interaction means mutual or in between. It means it is in between two bodies. Thus, the interaction between two bodies is called force. When you push or pull a car stuck in mud, you exert a force on it. This force may or may not be able to move a car. Thus, force is an agent which can move or tend to move an object, and it also stop or tend to stop an object in motion. It also changes the direction of the object. It can increase or decrease the speed of an object. Another example is sumo wrestling. In pushing or pulling, at least two objects are involved. We know that push or pull involves two objects or two bodies. Can you identify who is pulling whom? In sumo wrestling, both wrestlers pull or push each other. So, whosoever applies more force, it will be the winner. It is all about the concept of force. Let's discuss the related questions. First question is, what do you mean by force? Second question is, give the examples related to a pull and a push. This is all about today's topic. Stay home, stay safe.